Okay, so what y'all just saw me do is basically mix the color I wanted with top coat because I want it to be a little bit more on the clear side. I have some charm ideas that I kind of want to incorporate on the nail, but I feel like I'm not gonna have a whole bunch of space. So I think I'm gonna go with the rose and then just use the other little charms around it and do it up like that. I feel like I should do another coat of this though but I'm not because it's going to start to get bulky and I don't really want that. The nail glue I'm using is the one I got from Shein, and I'm just going to put some on just like this. What I have started to realize to do with the charms is just to work it in sections because the sections make it a lot easier because the charms obviously do slip and slide. So to prevent that, or at least to prevent the how do I say? At least to prevent them not being placed exactly where I want them, I just work in sections to avoid that. And then I don't cure for as long. Like I just kind of like, because I know I'm going back in multiple times, so I won't cure it for as long because I know it's going to go back in like literally 2 seconds. Literally 2 seconds. For bigger charms, I'm always putting a big glob and then submerging the charm entirely into the area. And then after I place this charm, I'm going to cure this. For these flat ones, what I notice is if you take it and kind of smear it around a bit, it allows the nail glue to get underneath and be a lot more secure. And I have never had any problems with those coming up, like no problems at all. I feel like I'm gonna do that one here, huh? Ooh. Am I gonna do this flower? Hell yeah. Or should I do this one? This one's really cute. Oh, I think I'm gonna put it right there, right where these sit. I'm just gonna make an oval shape as similar as possible and kind of make it a little thick. That way when I do pick it up and place it, it kind of has like a real blob to sit in and stay stuck to. Before I cure it, I'll add more in this gap, just a little, just to kind of go around. Oh, it's sliding a bit, hold on. And then I put some also inside. Just like that. And that's good enough for me. And then now we're just gonna go in and keep on putting charms. Before I go in and cure it, I'm always just doing like a last adjustment, because once you cure it, that's it. Like, quite literally, that is it. So I'm going to cure that just like that. Just because I do see a small gap kind of right here above this little star, I'm going to try to fit some small pearls right there. And I'm going to do a pretty big glob. I feel like this pearl is smaller. Can I get two? Let me get two. I can get two, right? Wait, where'd it go? Oh, is it? I feel like this is a bigger one, but we'll see. Yeah, it's not gonna fit. Not gonna fit. I feel like I could put it here though. I feel like I should take that off because it's not quite fitting. I'll put it above the star, or next to the star, and then I'll put a bigger one and place it right here. Yeah, that looks more filling. And don't be afraid to like overlap. Like, it's no big deal. And I'm gonna put some right here. I'm gonna put some green. And we're gonna cure that, obviously. Now that I'm done putting on my charms, I'm going to cure this for 10 seconds, and I'm going to go back in and do it for 30. That way I can make sure everything is cured. And what I also do is, after this is done, I turn the nail upside down and let it cure like that, and also to the side. And this is our end results.